You know what? The sign of a good handyman person is putting back everything back that you found in its place. The job is not complete until you get it looking like no one was ever there. Okay? I like these quick release concealed hinge doors. That's as quick as it is, just like that. Oh, you want to see it done again? All right. There. To pull them back off. Some of them are tricky, but these just have a button on the back, and you push in on it. See, it's as quick as it is. You just have to get them resituated just right. And did you know, this is not part of this video, but you can adjust these. You can raise the door up or down. You can raise it in and out with the screws here, and this back and forth, in and out that way, up and down this way, or this way. You can adjust that. You want to line all this stuff up. If you don't want as big of a gap as this one is, you can get your Phillips screwdriver. Let me get it. I've got about a 3/16 gap there, so I just tighten up that a little bit, and I got about an 1/8, and I look at this gap, and I think I'm going to move that one over. Actually, I got to move this one, because if I move this side over, it's going to raise the top of this door up higher, and this door is lower right now, so which means I'm going to take this door and move over this way. That'll move over closer here, and it will raise it up. So there's a screw right there. That's as quick and easy as it is done. I look at that, make sure these hinges are tight. And if you got a warped door or something, or if this isn't adjusted right, you can push this in further or pull it out. Push this one in, pull that out, and you can fix certain things that way too. Yeah. Check your handles. If you got any loose handles, you can tighten those up. There's lots of stuff you can do with these types of concealed hinges on cabinet doors, especially the double doors. Single doors work the same way. You can adjust those. Now, I'm not going to do that because that's not part of this video, okay? Yeah. But this is all nicely done. Last step is to wipe up, get rid of all your tools, clean up, and we're going to call it good. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. Speaking of more videos, what am I going to do next? I got a toilet here, and I don't know if you were watching before, but the whole toilet is loose. Somebody had caulked it, and it's loose. This is a 10-year-old toilet. Look at that. And the reason why I first noticed it, because if you get on the toilet and move it, see there? I'm moving it right off. And that's another thing. They didn't have it shimmed properly, and when you get a rough floor, you've got to have it adjusted properly when you first install it to have it tight, or it could start loosening up. That's my next project. I've got to take that all apart, and I'm going to use a waxless seal. If you want to keep watching my videos, I'll show you how to do it.